Struggling with complicated, outdated luxury tile installation methods? Slowed down by needing to wait 30 to 40 minutes to reach a dry-to-the-touch state? Stop driving up your labor cost and wasting valuable time for you and your customer. HENRY647 PlumPro Fast-Track Roll-Apply Vinyl Adhesive is the solution you've been looking for. HENRY647 PlumPro is an ultra-fast, roll-applied adhesive ideal for a quick turnaround time on commercial and residential installations of luxury vinyl tile, also known as LVT. Finish the job faster with HENRY647 PlumPro. Before beginning the installation, ensure you have the proper equipment. HENRY647 PlumPro, a 3/8" nap roller with extension pole, a paint stick, a 100-pound 3-section heavy roller, and a clean white cloth and soapy water for cleanup. HENRY647 PlumPro bonds to a variety of substrates, including concrete, Portland cement-based patching and leveling underlayments, and untreated APA-grade underlayment plywood. To view all the suitable substrates and the proper preparation methods for each one, please refer to the HENRY647 PlumPro technical brochure available at www.ardexamericas.com. Today we're showcasing a concrete installation. You should always defer to the flooring manufacturer's specific recommendations for suitable substrates when installing the flooring of your choice. Always perform moisture and alkali tests for concrete on any grade level. HENRY647 is moisture resistant up to 95% relative humidity. However, moisture test results must also meet the flooring manufacturer's recommendations. Prior to application, remove all fine dust or dirt by sweeping with a broom and vacuuming thoroughly. The substrate for your installation must be structurally sound, solid, clean, and dry with no contaminants that could interfere with bonding. You are now ready to install HENRY647. If any liquid is found on the surface of the adhesive, stir the contents with the paint stick. Apply the adhesive using the 3/8" nap roller. The roller application allows you to remain in a standing position, saving your back and knees, especially on large jobs. Rolling also requires less technique than using a traditional notch trowel, which means faster training for new crew members. Better yet, a roller application eliminates any possibility of trowel ridge lines, which often telegraph visually through the flooring surface. HENRY647 PlumPro is designed to be applied in a very thin coat. When properly rolled, 1 gallon of adhesive should yield 300 to 400 square feet of coverage. Its distinct plum purple color will help easily identify any areas that you may have missed. HENRY647 PlumPro is ready to receive flooring when it becomes dry to the touch, which means the adhesive no longer transfers to your fingers when you touch it lightly. This will typically take 6 or 7 minutes and may vary based on the porosity of the substrate and the job site temperature and humidity. Today, the floor covering we're installing is luxury vinyl plank, also known as LVP, but you can also install LVT and fiberglass encapsulated sheet vinyl with HENRY647 PlumPro. By combining an ultra-fast dry-to-the-touch time with an unprecedented working time of 8 hours to lay the flooring in, HENRY647 PlumPro offers you the fastest and most efficient installation method for glue-down LVT, saving you and your crew valuable time. Finally, roll the flooring with a 3-section 100-pound heavy roller across the width and length of the installation, as recommended by the flooring manufacturer. The floor can now be open to traffic. There is no need to wait on the adhesive to cure or dry. Cleanup is a breeze. Remove wet adhesive residue with a clean white cloth dampened with soapy water. HENRY647 PlumPro is covered by Henry's Best 10-year limited warranty and is also eligible for a System 1 20-year limited warranty when combined with select Ardex or Henry substrate preparation products. Simplify your next installation with HENRY647 PlumPro, an easy-to-use, ultra-fast-track roller-applied adhesive. Please refer to the HENRY647 PlumPro technical brochure for complete details. It is available at www.ardexamericas.com.